The order and all the measures therein under the Disaster Risk Management Act will be withdrawn.
It's that time again when everything free up outside again.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, guess what? Andrew fly the gate. These are the best news since 2020 of March. Or March of 2020. Same difference. People, Andrew said we can go outside. Party can keep.
We outside, up in the girl them outside.
We outside again, we outside again. The girls happy and the place full of vibe again. You gotta be my outside. Rims them clean to your low profile.
Bag of things. We are gonna talk about that. Oh, we have one next news for telling you too. Shenseea said she try kick through the back door already, but it never hurt the first time. But definitely in the future she'll kick out the back door. I don't know if you know want to stay tuned for that, but
where will we go? When the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road. Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your BL fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV. For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yuck said that.
So people, Minister Andrew Holness in a cabinet or in a cabin or somewhere him did there. Anywhere him did one there, him there. Me don't know where him did there. Announce say Jamaica free up.
The orders have been gazetted. Effective tomorrow, March 18th, 2022. The order and all the measures therein under the Disaster Risk Management Act will be withdrawn.
Zane, no more curfews, no more DRMA rule, no more how much people can bury, no more, not bury, but attend the burial, no more, no more how much people can do at a time, marry at a time, no more how much people can go to church, go get like a blessing, no more how much people can go club, you know, go get like a blessing again, no more how much people can go, no, that done with, we outside in the girl them outside.
We outside, up in the girl them outside.
January Star, one of the happiest, one of my happiest day since about the 13 or so. I March and the lockdown place. One of them day there. So it is a full 2 years since we were on lockdown. And even though people might have said, but yo, I see people are going road every day, I see people are this, I even see people are going party. Yeah, when you can go party, yes. But there's a possibility that a police will come tell us if we go up in a truck and then you go cook up here up to $1 million. At the first time now, we can party. We can do anything we feel like. We're free. Well, not anything. But you don't know what we mean. Remember, say one time Andrew have we in like some little pitney, you know what them little pitney there? Where the mother say, boy, come go your bed. Peace and go your bed. I be that Andrew. That's so loose. Fema say, peace and go your bed. That's so loose. But, we get the picture. We know definitely get the picture. Zin, so my question is it this free up? Me almost say Shenseea. Which me I go say Shenseea still. But the free up something me. A Shenseea the reason of this? Because remember, you know, day before yesterday, album release party keep and every government official and them mother except Andrew Holness. They did it. You see me? Minister of Security, Minister of Health, Education, not Education, what that one name? Entertainment, I mean, Security and Health are the two main ones where did a deal with the DRMO, yeah, and they were there. You see me? So, wow, it's like, them not forget punished too. Then, me see, the Jamaican government say something. Me did have a screenshot, you know, shoot. Phone I use the something and me did have a screenshot. Me don't know it, but I think the message say they can be prosecuted No, he said they should. Yes. I gotta probably read it in a cut screen or put it on the screen. Alright, so people, may have to read it in a cut screen. So this is what the tweet said. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says members of his cabinet who attended a recent album launch should be fined $100,000. The Prime Minister say the sum should be donated to charity or used to support people who have been charged for the DRMA. And the DRMA mean Disaster Risk Management Act. It was any easy, Andrew. Jaja. They said they should be prosecuted, and the word should. So, why the word is not will be prosecuted? You see me? I mean, we look on the first ever brother we ever go public with the curfew law and the rare, when a little bit you would say kill it, we outside, kill it, and then we see 5, maybe 10 minutes after the police them go dry him out and in bed. We see the youth were kind of frustrated the other day and tell Andrew about his mother should have said that still, but when you get what I say, and then we see that youth there get lock up and I make apology probably the next hour. I mean, we can sit here or stand here and talk countless of people we get prosecuted. Being him and one of them, bad boy Trevor one of them, and them people. So them people will be prosecuted, but the government official them should be prosecuted. We don't know. I say work. Probably I say work. We don't know. You see me? So tell me in the comment section if Shenseea party are the reason. Because you know Shenseea party keeps, so people have them eyes under something and I say, yo, hypocrite. Me do a video on it earlier on. Go check it out and call them hypocrite. Label them as a hypocrite. Me don't know. Tell me in the comment section. And again, should they or will they be charged? Me don't know. Tell me in the comment section. Alright, next topic now. People, you know me see that video and circulate and me never want to talk about it, you know. Me never want to be the first one to talk about it. And me never want it, but me just wish say me would unsee it or unlisten it or something. See, because me see it and me traumatize me, I will make Uno see it too. Watch this video of Shenseea on a Shenseea recent interview with them.
What is something that you haven't done that you want to do in the bedroom? Besides an orgy.
Anal, maybe.
What?
Anal, maybe.
From here, so kaya bati man, you should name compensate with that the store.
Me fuck girl in her pussy, me no go the back door. Say to Jah, me never fuck batty from me barn. If you fuck batty, that's a dirty business. Me tell her say pussy on me body business, cause I'm not in a body business.
You haven't done anal? Me neither.
Me.
Wait, I tried it, but that shit was hurting too much. I couldn't
Don't scare
do it.
her.
Yeah, I don't like it. I want to try it.
I tried it too, but it didn't fall.
Yeah, you gotta
don't like it? No, that's what I'm saying, that I want to do it, but because I've tried it before, like it didn't go.
You gotta get a little dick. You gotta get a little dick.
So, I want to think. Like, me no know. I want to think about that something there. Remember, you know, Chaddy, if it was alkaline, then beat him. If it was spice, then beat her. If it was any other artist, then would have beat her. So enough to be Shenseea the Wishy. Joe Chaddy want more TV, want to get unblocked by the Instagram code phone profile and name Chaddy more TV. I go unblock it. You see me? Jalo star people, we can't believe the Shenseea says, yo, we never know if we comment, we never know what if we say, but me know. That sounds spoil up.
From here, so kaya bati man, you should name compensate with that the store. Yeah, bati man, right? They say you bow up, brother, you're stain. Yeah, man, you're not good again, brother.
We all left it right there, so. Me, I go left it right there. Right there. Right there, so. Anyway, it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video, comment in the comment section, and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and make sure to keep it that way there. One way, the straight way. Always go through the front door, not the back door. But gone.